Hey guys, it's Jordan and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, if you are returning, thank you so much. It is great to have you guys back. And today my face is looking a mess. I'm breaking out. My forehead and my cheeks, a mess. But we're gonna look past that, all of that. So guys, it's been a minute since this fluffy eyebrow trend has been going around, and I thought it would be a great idea to jump on this trend.
You'll be needing a bar of pear soap, your got to be blasting free spray, and then you're going to take the freezing spray and spray that onto the pear soap. Take a spoolie and rub it into the soap to pick up as much of the product as you possibly can. Be very generous. Now, using your spoolie and in an upward motion, you're going to work the product throughout your eyebrows, starting from either eyebrow that you choose. I did this twice. And then I'm going to be using my LA Girl this is a foundation, not a concealer, and a small angled brush. Now I chose to use an eyebrow pencil because it works best for me and it's more precise. So you want to sharpen your pencil as sharp as you can get it and do stroke like motions upward in your eyebrows to mimic real hairs. So that's how real hairs grow. They grow up, they grow down, but for today we're going to be moving only in upward motions all throughout your eyebrows, starting from the tail to the center of your face, and your face should be looking like this. Now after that is done, I'm going to take that LA Girl Pro Conceal foundation. It's a matte foundation, medium to full coverage, and I'm gonna go ahead and outline my eyebrows. Now after I started doing this, guys, I realized that I needed to wipe out some of the product from the top section of my eyebrows. So you're gonna see me in a second going in with a regular wipe, a baby wipe. It's gentle, it's not gonna harm my skin, and I just basically go in, there I go, and clean off the product that I do not want. It was just sticking, causing the foundation to stick, and I did not like that. And then I'm gonna go in again with my foundation just to make sure that my eyebrows are popping. Yes, because that is the aim. We want it to be popping. And then basically you're just gonna repeat that on the other eye. So now we're gonna go in using a eyeshadow blending brush to blend out our foundation, just to make sure that everything is looking nice and smooth and snatched on our eyebrows. Yes, hunty, because we want to have that snatched brow. And also, guys, I did go in again with my pencil all over my eyebrows just to sharpen things up a little bit more.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I'm not gonna lie, it's not perfect, but hear me out, especially the line that's right here. And the reason for the line not being blended out is because I didn't remove enough of the got to be glued and the pear soap. So when I applied the foundation to the area, it kind of stuck. So the product got stuck there, but it's not bad. It is really not bad. It turned out way better than I thought it actually would, to be honest. And so if I should rate this, I'm gonna rate this a 8 out of 10. Let me know what you think. Out of 10, how much would you rate my fluffy eyebrows, considering what I had before? Alright guys, so that is it for today's tutorial. I will catch you guys in another one. Stay safe.
Lost inside my thoughts and